Hi, my name is Karla James. I'm a student from Uapa. This is the oral exam, and I need to answer some questions. The task that I choose is talk about bad experience you have while you were on a trip. Answer the following questions. What happened? Well, I'm gonna start saying that this I can remember this was in 2021. I went to New York. I went to United States, and we had a bad experience, a bad experience. We take JetBlue, the airline JetBlue, because I don't know, it's more comfy for us, for me, for my brother, for my mom. And what happened? Well, the flight was so late. I mean, we experienced 24 hours, and we were at the airport, and they were just saying that we are so sorry for teas. They gave us some money and sent us to our house, and then just say sorry to us that we had 24 hours late at the airport. This was bad because we have 24 hours delay, and they were so rude with us as customers, and it was a bad experience. Now we are going to travel on June, and we decide to travel with AraJet. Gonna be our first time traveling with AraJet, but we don't want to know anything about JetBlue, seriously. So, where were you when it happened? We were at the airport, Las America. What were you doing? What were you doing? Well, we just sat. We were sad and waiting and trying to calm ourselves and trying to be positive. But what a bad experience, because imagine you at the airport just sitting and just waiting for answers, and nobody giving you answers, and nobody paying attention to you, and you feels like you are making them feel uncomfortable, but at the same time you're like, I'm paying for this, I'm paying my money for this, I pay my money for a service, and you're not giving me that service. So it was so uncomfortable for us. We were so mad, seriously, we were so mad. So the last question is, what do you do after it happened? Okay, they offered to us some free food. We took that, and they offered to us a free flight, whatever we want, and we take the opportunity, we take advantage of that, and we went to South Carolina with that free flight. And how do you feel, and why? We felt so frustrated. Like, I'm giving my money. I'm a customer, and how this is possible? How something like that can happen? And yes, we feel bad, and we say we're never ever gonna fly again in this airline, and we're going to try to do that at future. Never again we're going to fly with JetBlue.